Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use WhatsApp web on Chromebook. Pro tips step by step clearly. Open your Chromebook and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open the Chrome browser if it isn't open already. In the address bar, type web.whatsapp.com and press enter. Once the page loads, you will see a QR code. Now, take your phone and open the WhatsApp application. On your phone, go to the Chats tab. Tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner for Android or the settings gear for iPhone. Select Link Devices from the menu. Tap on Link a Device. Your phone will now prompt you to scan a QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on the Chromebook screen. Wait for your phone to recognize and link to the QR code. Once connected, your WhatsApp chats will appear on the Chromebook screen. You can now send and receive messages via WhatsApp web. To log out, click on the three vertical dots in the top left corner of WhatsApp web. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu. For a smoother experience, consider using keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl+N to start a new chat quickly. Press Ctrl+Shift+, or, to navigate between conversations easily. To search for a contact, use Ctrl+F to open the search bar. Changing settings is also straightforward. Click on the three vertical dots in the top left corner to access settings. Explore options like notifications and theme to personalize your experience. Remember to keep your phone connected to the internet while using WhatsApp web. If your connection is lost, you will be logged out automatically. Now you are ready to use WhatsApp web effectively on your Chromebook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.